Hi everyone, it's June. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a very helpful video. I am going to show you 2 do-it-yourself head measurements for hair toppers and closures. Yay! I know a lot of you have been asking me, well, how much does a 5x5 hair topper actually cover? A lot of people don't know how to take measurements, and I'm here to help you, so just keep watching. Okay, so first you need a flexible that hurt. A flexible tape measure. This is used to measure your arms, your head, no, your neck, no. Seriously, this is so good to measure, to allergies, sorry. Please forgive me. This is so good to measure your head for toppers and hair closures. So this is what you do. If you're interested in buying a 5x5 hair topper, but you don't know how much that actually covers on your head, you're going to take your measurement. You're going to put it to 5. Where is the 5? I can't see on the, oh, okay. 5. Okay. 5. Okay. So you see 0 and 5. That means it's 5 inches. Okay, so this is how you get to tell where on the hair, like right by the hairline, how much it's going to cover. Now when you go back, this is how much it's going to cover in the back. So it covers this way, and this way. Yes. So you know if it covers this here, like, okay, wait. Let's make sure we got it to the 5. I don't want you saying anything to me later on. Okay, so you know that from here to here, and it covers all this and up to where the 5 was in the back, and then it comes around that way. So it will cover mainly all this. Now, if you have more hair loss in the back, well, then you can go with the 6x6, and that covers even a larger span. So it goes from here to here, and then from here all the way back here. Okay, now there is another way. If you actually want to see exactly how much, I'm going to show you how to do that on paper. Keep watching. Okay, so I did the 5x5 already, but I'm going to show you 6x6, how we measured the 6x6. So we take our flexible tape measure, and we're going to measure 6 inches. So I don't know if you can see, it's 0. You're going to measure here. Actually, we're going to bring it down a little bit. Okay, so we're going to measure here, and we're going to measure by the 6, okay? Okay, then I'm going to take, see, that's how wide it is. Then I'm going to take, actually, I'm going to make a line from here to here, let's just say. Then I'm going to take, again, from the 0, let's say, to the 6. 6 is, 6 is, get in the middle. 6 is right here, okay? Now, I'm going to just make, let's say, okay, my drawing kind of stinks, but this is the shape of a topper. So it's straight on the bottom, because that's by your hairline, and it goes all the way back like this. So then you're going to just cut it out. Okay, so we're going to cut it just like so, just like so. But I know a lot of you don't know, like you hear the 5x5 and you're like, okay, what is that exactly? So I'm going to mark this 6x6. So this is the 5x5, and this is the 6x6. So you would take the paper, and let me show you what I do. How wide the 5x5 covers. So it would cover from here to here and all the way back here. Okay, now if you have more hair missing back here, the 6x6 covers it a lot more. You see where it goes? Okay, so that is how you can measure and see visually where the topper, like how much the topper would cover on your head.